Now I will explain how to find the value of mantissa by using logarithmic table. This table is given at the end of your book. You can see the first part of the table is extreme left column headed by blank square. You can see this column contains numbers from 10 to 99. The second part of the table contains 10 columns headed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the third part of the table, which is known as mean differences, headed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we consider the example 43.254, here the number of significant digits are 5. First of all, we will round off this number into 5 digits, that is 43.25, because fifth digit is 4 less than 5. So after rounding off the number, 43.25 is obtained. Now we will find out the mantissa of 43.25. How can we find? First of all, we will take first two digits, that is 43, and we will find out the value in the second column. The number obtained in the second column will be added into the mean difference of 5. Here is 43, you can see, and in the second column the value is 6355, and the mean difference of 5 is 5. So you can see 6355 plus 5 is equal to 6360. So the mantissa will be equal to 0.6360. Now if we consider the example 0.002347, in this example we will ignore the zeros and consider only these numbers 2, 3, 4, 7. First of all, we will take first two digits 23, and we will find the value in the fourth column. The number which is obtained in fourth column will be added into the mean difference of 7. Now see 23. Here is 23, you can see. Now find out the value against fourth column, that is 3692, and the mean difference in the seventh column is 13. Now we will add these 3692 and 13, and the number will be equal to 3705. Now the mantissa will be equal to 0.3705.